emo. I sound like my sister, an edgy teenager. But this is the episode that will introduce my voice for the very first time. I'm only doing this voiceover. This was pre-recorded, so I'm just gonna pretend what I was originally gonna say. But mostly, money. Yay. I don't mean that. But the main reason why I'm actually doing the voiceover is only because I'm getting sick of writing all that text down and all this cutting. But now I'm just gonna do the voiceover and stop yapping. Right there, Bear, what do you got for me, huh? Me and my quest. Where's my quest? Yep. You speak like Spirit Bear too much. You speak too much. Why did I talk to him again? He's useless. Music in the shop sounded like a Chinese dealership. But anyways, is that a windy beat? That actually really happened to me tons of times, so I have no idea how rare that is or what time sets those are for. And wait, I can get a new item. And wait, this is old. I cannot really put in order, the FNAF timeline order. And I just realized I can't do really cutouts right now. And oh my god, I hate you, Bear the Bear! I was a little bit late for that. I'm not gonna do a cutout. Ult account alert. I was macroing I'm just gonna speed this up. I feel like this would be a bad idea. I have set up a boss fight in this fire. Oh yeah, I was doing a macro master patch. Let's go chat. This is a bad idea. I doing this time, but I couldn't really say anything else. But I don't really want to accommodate this, except then this is gonna be more stupid for me. What? Sutart! Come back! Sutart! I can't really use my voice at the fullest currently. It's the best I can do. Die, vicious beast! Die! I'm gonna make a cold out of you. When is this guy gonna die and how long am I beast gonna take? You know what? I'm speeding this up. Did I just get instant respawn? Oh hell no! I'm speeding up this walk process. I did say I would speed it up, the walk process, but I thought we did it. It just wasn't my time. And I'm just doing this one too. But that's a little too long. Also, if y'all can't hear anything, in the background, there is background noise too. But in my background, I'm watching a video right now because I do not have the attention span to actually watch this and say everything. So anyways, I'm gonna speed more. Also guys, I just want to point something out. You should probably look at my slot bar. If you can clearly see Anyways, I'm gonna cut this out and speed it up. For the oils in the diamond mask. So now I'm just gonna cut this off and just speed this up now. Guys, I actually have an idea. So I'm actually gonna edit first, then I'm actually gonna do everything else and record my voice and everything. So I'll meet you on there and I don't know why I said that. And we'll be back playing for a while. Bye y'all. Also, if you guys didn't tell yet, I am trying to go for approach of episode 1 again. But instead of like text to speech, it's a little bit slower. And to speed up instead of just doing cuts in episode 2 where I did tons of cuts. And to be honest, it was just a filler arc. The One Piece is real. Okay, there, finally. Okay, so now, a boss fight! I ain't losing against a vicious bee. I ain't losing to a nobody. Get over here. And, oh, that's really laggy, huh? Okay, but, get over here! Wow, bees, you really suck, huh? Bees really suck, huh? Closer and closer to 25 bees. Also, I've noticed this will be a multiple episode then. Okay, so this was actually another video from another one, just because I had gotten more and more closer to 25 bees. Also, what I mean by multiple episodes is basically multiple milestones. And that's another milestone. Great. I'm gonna have to be crafting soft wax for a while, huh? Great. Yeah, just great, huh? Okay, I'm just gonna speed up more. Yeah. Oh, I actually did not realize that it wouldn't be that short. So, whatever. But we're actually pretty close to, Round Bear's stockings. So I'm just gonna speed this up for now. Also, I just want to point out, my voice has been getting deeper and deeper, and also the song in the background for Bee Swarm Simulator, I have to speak louder and louder each time. So, yeah. But, just gonna film a little bit more and speak a little bit more, but you're probably gonna hear my voice as pretty low because I don't really have the energy to keep on doing this. And also, my voice, I haven't really spoken like this, not directly to a person, so this does kind of feel weird. But anyways, I'm just gonna speed this up and I'll probably just use the text-to-speech boxes. Well, not the text-to-speech, but you get the point, whatever. And here we go. We have enough honey just for 25 bees. Here we go. 25 bees. We will finally gain 25 bees. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I finished one